Hey, what's going on? So I have a add W1 catch can. I'm installing this on my ECODIESEL 2014. Originally I was gonna hook it up over here, but I decided to change it over here. I'll be using a transmission bolt that I cut and 2 washers. So the hardware that came with this is with this one for the bolt for that, and hose clamps and hoses. So my plan is to just skip this part and have it mounted this way. So now my catch can will be facing that way towards the hose. See, it'll be taller, so I have enough space to get the canister out if I have to dump it close to my dipstick, so I can check also the dipstick here. And the hose is not like U-turned over here, so it's more straight. So that's the plan. And this is my old transmission bolt that I cut in half, and I'm be using 2 washer to put in the hole so it's not sliding everywhere. Okay, so what I did is face this one first so you can see the bolt. I had my washer in there. I tighten it up, make sure my washer is centered. There you go. So this is what's gonna look like. I gotta loosen this Allen bolt. That's what it's gonna look like. Oops, there you go. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I have my inlet here, outlet. To take this off, you have to pinch this one. I use a needle nose to pinch it, and it came off. So now I'm going to take this metal band, because I need to use this fitting to put it on my hose. Okay, this thing is easy to take off. I just use a flat tip screwdriver, prop this off, and it came loose. So taking this off, I'm just gonna twist it a little bit to break the seal and then pull it out. Okay, so I just used my bare hand to twist this off and pried it a little bit with a flat tip screwdriver, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna use this one here, and I might not even use this one because this is long enough for me to put it here. So works out perfect. All right, so I use my pecs and chest muscle to compress this two together, so it looks pretty tight. All right, almost there. So measured it, cut it with my finger, and then everything is looking good. So I'm just gonna slap this on and push this in there. All right, guys, so I was able to take this out, no problem. Be mindful of the dipstick here. make sure everything is tight so there's no engine code. Okay, everything is tight. Let's go start it. Now my truck is deleted. Might be an issue if you're not tuned or deleted. Alright, no codes. They said that this one doesn't throw any codes anyways, so we will see in about 1,000 miles, see how much oil I'm able to collect. Because from that hose, the original hose, it's actually had some oil in there. Well, not heavy, but there's oil. That's it. If you like this video and if you appreciate, just like the video. I never seen an add 1 or add W1 catch can installed on an EcoDiesel this way. So deuce.